edges. I haven't written it. I will show you later. Now once the gadget loads, this API will be called and my show images will be loaded as soon as the gadget is ready. Alright, so let's see how to write a JavaScript function called show images. My function show images, as you can see, I have written another script tag and I have written the JavaScript code which is function show images. Now show images, first thing which it has to do is to create a object of kind IG preferences. Basically this object is nothing but the preferences which you have declared earlier in user preferences. To get these values I must define an object of this kind and then use the function provided like getString, getBoolean, getEnum, etc. to get the value. As I told you, the name of the user preference was the most important thing. Remember? The tags and the rate. Okay. So here you see I'm using preferences.getString tags. I'm not writing tags to search or refresh rate or anything. Alright. So I have declared two variables, tags and rates. It brings the preferences and the rate of change. Remember, rate of change is numeric, so I have used parseInt to change it into numeric. Next is what I'm going to use is the skin. Your blogger must have a skin. Alright. So if I use my own colors, it might not look good. Say for instance, my blog is a black background. Now, if I use a black color to show my text, which I told you about, then it won't show up on my blog. On a white background or a lighter background, black will look good. But how do I know that on a black background, is there a black background or is there a white background or light color background? The best way to do is use the skin. Do not declare your own colors until unless it's absolutely necessary. So therefore what I have done is get the element. This is just a simple JavaScript, you know, that document.getElement by ID placeText. PlaceText is this div. What I am going to do is define the text color, but I will use the same text color which is defined in the skins of your own blog. Again, Google obliges us and gives us this function gadgets.skins.getProperty. This will give you the current property of the link color. You see, content link color, again this is a constant defined by Google which I have used. There are many other constants which you can have a look on Google APIs official documentation. Then I have declared the document.body.style.backcolor. Now this document, again remember, this document is not your whole blog. This document is only your gadget. I have defined the background color to match that of skin. I have also defined the link colors background as to match that of your skin. Therefore there is no confusion. Whatever is the link color in your skin will be the same in your gadget. Therefore it gives you a seamless integration. Otherwise your gadget might look good in some blogs, on other blogs it might not look good or it might not even be visible. So therefore this is a very good idea and Google has provided us these properties, so we should use it. After defining the basic functions, or should I say preferences, then I call another function called getImages. GetImages is the main function which gets the images from Flickr using the tags which the user has given us. Let's have a look at getImages. Okay, now this is my getImages, and as you can see it's quite a complicated looking code, but actually it is not that complicated. First thing which we must know is the API of Flickr which we are going to use. or the feed which we are going to use from Flickr is this one. If you want the details of these feeds, etc., please visit my blog where you can find all the details. Now, the feed gets you, the Flickr feed gets you all the tags, images based on the tags. And as you can see, I have used the variable tags which have been passed by the user or by the earlier function. And you can see here, I've used the variable tags to get the user preference. And when I have called the images function, I have passed that value to my function getImages, and the same value is being used to get the photographs. Now I have added the tags, or should I say concatenated the tags in this string, and the tag mode is any. Any means the search should not look for all the tags. It should look for photographs which has title similar to any of these tags. It's either or. Then comes the format. Format is JSON, and the callback is nothing, so I'll just put a question mark there. JSON, you know, is the new way of returning data. It's well, it's quite similar, you can say, in the structure to XML, but not exactly. Basically, it is more of a text kind of a thing. If you want to read about JSON or anything else, again, I'm repeating myself, visit my blog and you will find details about that. Now, we all know there is a problem with AJAX queries or AJAX requests in JavaScript. The problem is when we make a AJAX request from a script, the request must be handled by the same server or the server on the same domain. If you want to make a request on another server on some other domain, you cannot do it from your script. You have to use code behind, like a PHP server script or a Visual Basic.NET server script or something like that, which is a problem, because in bloggers I don't know where my code is stored. It's not my own web hosting, so I cannot put any server code or a code behind with this file. So how do I do that? To overcome this, there are many ways, but the one which I found the most easy was to use JQuery.